Cleaning and care. If, after installation, a good initial cleaning has been done, routine maintenance of a porcelain stoneware floor will be simple. You can remove everyday dirt from any type of ceramic surface simply with clean water or with water and bleach diluted up to 50%. Remember that it is preferable to use hot water or steam. Last but not least, use periodically a basic detergent such as our Caesar 2 or Fila's PS87 Pro. Rinse carefully and dry the floor. Extra duty cleaning. You may notice more stubborn stains than others. There are 3 types: inorganic stains, organic stains, synthetic stains. Let's see together how to deal with them. Inorganic stains. Rust, grout, and limestone are inorganic stains that can be removed with a specific acid detergent for porcelain stoneware surfaces. You can find them in construction warehouses or tile shops. Follow the instructions on the label. And in case of particularly stubborn stains, don't be afraid to increase gradually the concentration of the cleaner. Organic stains. If wine, oil, jam, sauce, or another organic substance has stained your floor, you can use a basic solution. Always follow the directions on the label and increase the amount of product based on the toughness of the stain. If streaks remain after this cleaning, treat them with bleach. Synthetic stains. Last but not least, let's see how to remove the streaks of rubber soles, paint, or ink stains and other synthetic stains. In all these cases, you can use a solvent, such as acetone or white spirit, or specific detergents, such as Filasol. They are highly volatile products and therefore evaporate quickly. To be more effective, just wet a clean rag with solvent. Place it on the stain and cover it with aluminum kitchen foil. This way, the solvent will evaporate more slowly. In some cases, it may be useful to act on the stain with a rubber spreader. Let's now see how to treat some particular stains, such as tire tracks. Just spread common hand washing paste on the area to be clean. Wait a few seconds and remove everything with a sponge. If chewing gum or silicone stains our porcelain stoneware floor, it's enough to wait for the substance to harden. At that point, it can be removed with a rubber spreader. Did you know that ice speeds up the hardening of these stains? Place an ice cube on the chewing gum, wait for it to melt, and remove the stain with the rubber spreader.